You know what's funny? Most business owners don't lose sales because their product sucks. They lose sales because they're making the same rookie mistakes over and over. And I know because I've made every single one of these myself. So let me just walk you through the 7 mistakes that are killing your deals right now. And if you can avoid even one of these, you'll probably close more sales this month without changing anything else. So, mistake number one, talking too much. This is the most common rookie move. You get nervous, you want to fill the silence, so you just keep talking. And here's the truth: the more you talk, the less they buy. Sales isn't about proving how much you know. It's about discovering how much they need. So if you're talking 70% of the time on your calls, you're losing. The prospect should be doing most of the talking. I used to ramble for 30 minutes straight. Now, I ask a question and I shut up. And usually they sell themselves. Mistake number two, avoiding outreach. Most people are terrified of being pushy, so they avoid calls, they avoid DMs, they avoid following up, and then they're shocked when their pipeline's empty. Let me put it this way: if you skip the gym for a week, you don't complain about being out of shape. Same thing here. No reps, no results. Outreach isn't pushy, it's practice. And if you want deals, you need to do the reps. Mistake number three, not setting the next step. This one kills more deals than almost anything. Here's how the rookies end calls: I'll follow up with you. And you know what happens next? Ghosted every time. You can't end a call without a commitment. If there's no calendar invite, you don't have a next step. I've lost deals because I left it vague. Now, I lock in the date before we hang up. Simple as that. Mistake number four, accepting fake objections. You know the lines. I'll think about it. Send me more info. Yeah, those aren't real. That's just the polite way of saying, I'm not convinced, but I don't want to tell you no to your face. And rookies eat it up. They're like, sure, I'll send the PDF. And the deal is dead. Here's what I do instead: I just ask, cool, happy to, but what exactly are you hoping that clears up? That's when the real objection comes out. And now I've got something I can actually handle. Mistake number five, selling features instead of outcomes. This one's brutal. Rookies love listing features. We've got X trucks, we've got Y tools, we've got Z process. Guess what? Nobody cares. People don't buy features, they buy outcomes. When I was in home services, no one cared about the gear we used. They just wanted their place clean, fast, and stress free. Features tell, outcomes sell. Always tie what you do to what they get. Mistake number six, avoiding the close. This is where fear really kicks in. Most people are so worried about sounding pushy, they never actually ask. They give a great pitch, they answer the objections, and then nothing. Call ends with, I'll send you some info. Dead. I've lost deals this way, and then I learned even the simplest ask beats silence. Do you want to move forward? That one line has closed more deals for me than anything else. Always make the ask. Mistake number seven, not practicing. This one drives me crazy. People treat sales like it's theory. They read books, they watch videos, they study, but they never actually practice. Sales is like the gym. You don't get stronger by reading about push ups. You get stronger by doing push ups. Same with sales. You don't build confidence by thinking about it. You build it by drilling. I only got confidence once I started doing role plays every day. And that's why practice is non negotiable. Wrap it up. So these are the 7 rookie mistakes: talking too much, avoiding outreach, not setting next steps, accepting fake objections, selling features instead of outcomes, avoiding the close, and not practicing. If you just fix one of those this week, you'll notice a difference on your very next call. So let me ask you this: which of these mistakes are you guilty of right now? Drop it in the comments, and if this was helpful, subscribe. I post sales training videos every single day, and I'll help you stop losing deals you should be winning.